Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Nest. This is a massive chicken processing plant in St. Catherine. It's actually the largest chicken processing plant in Jamaica and the Caribbean. It sits on over 1,000 acres. You can see all that land around it. Now, as you know, a lot of industries are opening up in Jamaica. Jamaica is a major transshipment hub, major player in the hotel industry, and now Jamaica is leading the Caribbean in terms of poultry processing. Leading the Caribbean. This facility, when at 100%, will be able to produce all the chickens or process all the chickens that Jamaica needs and have more than enough for export to the other Caribbean countries. So this plant is what you call a game changer for Jamaica and the Caribbean. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this plant. CB Chicken's state-of-the-art facility, known as the Nest, stands as one of the most innovative and impactful agricultural developments in Jamaica's history. Located on a 1,000-acre property in Hill Run, St. Catherine, the Nest is more than just a poultry processing plant. It is a model for sustainable food production, circular economy practices, and national food security. At the heart of the Nest's uniqueness is its air-chilled poultry processing system, the first of its kind in the Caribbean. This method uses purified cold air instead of traditional water baths to cool chicken after slaughter. The benefits are multiple: improved flavor and texture, reduced risk of cross-contamination, and massive water savings. Over 250 million liters annually. This technology, common in top-tier food markets like Europe and North America, positions CB Chicken at the forefront of regional poultry innovation. Beyond processing technology, the Nest is designed as a circular eco-industrial park, where all operations are interconnected. Waste from poultry processing is converted into protein and fertilizer. Treated water is reused for irrigation on nearby crops. Energy is produced on-site using a modern 10 MW LNG combined heat and power system, reducing the plant's carbon footprint and making it less dependent on the national grid. The economic and social impacts are equally significant. With the capacity to process over 100,000 birds per day, the Nest has tripled CB Group's output and allows Jamaica to move closer to poultry self-sufficiency and even toward exporting poultry across the Caribbean. It has generated new investment in rural areas with local contract farmers upgrading their infrastructure to meet the increased demand. The CB Group reports that over 2.5 billion Jamaican dollars in private farm upgrades will result from the supply chain connected to the Nest. CB Chicken also maintains a strong commitment to food and safety quality. All their products are antibiotic-free, hormone-free, and processed under international certifications such as ISO, HACCP, and Global GAP. This makes them a trusted brand not just in Jamaican households but also in hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets nationwide. In summary, the Nest is a game changer for Jamaica's agricultural sector. It combines world-class technology, sustainable practices, and economic inclusivity. It improves Jamaica's food resilience while opening new pathways for export and rural development. As the largest and most advanced poultry processing facility in the Caribbean, the Nest has firmly established CB Chicken as a leader in Jamaica's food industry and a model for what future food systems across the region could look like. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.